back to the lovely viewers of this channel. Today we will be solving the second part of practice set 2.3 of lesson that is real numbers of standard 9. 2.3 is basically based on surds. What are surds? Surds, as I explained you in the previous lecture, surds are nothing but if you take the nth root, that is a square root or cube root or fourth root of any positive rational number, and the answer you get is an irrational number, then it is a surd. For example, if you have cube root of 7, definitely this is a positive rational number, but the answer which you will get is an irrational number. So this thing is this particular number is a surd. Suppose I have square root of 4. Square root of 4, positive rational number, but the answer you also get is also a positive rational number. So this is not a surd. This is not a surd. This is a surd. Quick revision time. Let's move on to our sums. So today we will be solving only 2 questions and their sub questions. First is the 5th question. That is the third question. Third question is third question 2 root 7 comma root 28. Now let me tell you one thing. कभी भी आप लोग स्क्वायर्स निकालते हो, फिर स्क्वायर रूट निकालते हो, तो आपको पता चलता है कि कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है, कौन सा नंबर छोटा है. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, आई हैव हियर 36 and I have here 49. Now definitely 36 is less than 49. अगर मैं square root of 36 लूँगा, square root of 49 लूँगा, square root of 36 is 6, square root of 49 is 7. Definitely this will be lesser than this. So the 5th question you have is comparing the following surds. Comparing the following surds means what? You have to simplify these terms and then you have to say which surd is bigger, which surd is smaller, or which surd is greater than or lesser than the other one. So let's start. 2 root 7. 2 root 7. So the whole square can be considered 2 root 7 the whole square. Now these two are different numbers. 2 का square क्या होगा? 4. What is root 7 का square? Root 7 का square is nothing but 7. Now you will ask sir ये कैसे हुआ? Simple. अगर आप root 7 का square निकाल रहे हो, so what are you doing basically? Root 7 into root 7, है ना? Now root 7 into root 7. Now you see यहाँ पे भी square root है, यहाँ पे भी square root है. So this can be written as 7 into 7. 7 7 is what? 49. Square root of 49 is how much? 7. So root 7 का आंसर क्या आता है? 7. ऐसे ही similarly if you try root 2 square, you will get 2. If you try root 28 square, you will similarly get 28. So this 4 7 becomes 28, which implies what? 2 root 7 square is what? 28. Now root of 28, the whole square is how much? Root of 28 into root of 28, which implies nothing but root of 28 into 28, which is nothing but just 28. So you see, while squaring this number you get 28, while squaring this number you get 28, which implies 2 root 7 is equal to root 28, which is what we have to do in this exercise. Compare the following surds. कौन से दो surds equal हैं, कौन से दो surds एक दूसरे से बड़े या छोटे हैं. We will move on to the next sum. Take a good look at this. Next sum is the 5th one. 5th question is 4 root 42 comma 9 root 2. This is the 5th question. Again, consider 4 root 42 the whole square. What is the square of 4? 16. Again, square root of 42. Square of root of 42. Nothing but similarly again just 42. जो मैंने अभी आपको समझाया था, root of 42 the whole square is nothing but root of 42 into root of 42, which is basically root of 42 into 42. मतलब इनडायरेक्टली क्या आ गया फिर से 42, क्योंकि ये 42 का स्क्वायर होगा और स्क्वायर रूट निकला तो भी 42 ही आएगा. 16 into 42 is how much? 16 2s are 32, 16 4s are 64, 672. Then 9 root to the whole square. What is the square of 9? 81. Square root 2 का square is 2. 81 2s are 162. Now if you see here, 672 is greater than 162. So अगर मैं 672 का स्क्वायर रूट भी लूँगा, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 672 will be also greater than 162. What is square root of 672? 4 root 42 is again greater than 9 root 2. If you still don't get it, try ask us in the comment section or in the WhatsApp group. This is the fifth question of the fifth this is the fifth sub question of the fifth question. We will move on to the seventh one now. Take a good look at this. The seventh question you have is 7 comma 2 root 5. Yes. So again you consider 7 the whole square. 7 square is 49. Then you consider 2 root 5 the whole square. What is square of 2? 4. Root 5 square is nothing but again 5. 4 5 is 20. Now you see 49 is greater than 20, which implies square root of 49 will also be greater than square root of 20, which implies 7 will be greater than 2 root 5. Very easy sums. So if you want to try, let me give you some easy sums for home assignment. You can try the second question for this one. You can try the second question and you can try fourth question as home assignments. Let's move on. Now we will be solving the sixth question. Sixth question में से हम solve करेंगे the second one and the fourth one. What is the second question? Second question is 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus square root of 125. While simplifying, this is the question of simplifying. मतलब आप ये सब numbers है, इनको simplify करके एक छोटे से छोटा set लेके आओगे, ये आंसर में आना चाहिए. First you see the biggest number is 125. The smallest number is 5. Then you see, you can write this as 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus, what can 125 be written as? 125 can be written as 25 into 5. 25 into 5 and 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus, this can be written as square root of 25 into square root of 5. Then you can write this is 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus square root of 25, 5, which gives us 5 root 5. Now if you see, यहाँ पे भी root 5 है, यहाँ पे भी root 5 है, यहाँ पे भी root 5. You can take root 5 common. 9 minus 4 plus 5 into root 5. If you see, 9 into root 5 gives us 9 root 5, minus 4 into root 5 gives us minus 4 root 5, plus 5 into root 5 plus root 5. So मैंने हर एक में से root 5 common ले लिया. 9 minus 4 is how much? 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. You get the answer as 10 root 5. Sorry. You take the fourth question. Root 7 minus 3 upon 5 root 7 plus 2 root 7. Now if you see here, हर एक सर्ड आपको रूट 7 में ही दिया हुआ है, आपको सिर्फ सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है या ऐड करना है आगे कैलकुलेशन में. यहाँ पे भी रूट 7 है, यहाँ पे भी रूट 7 है, यहाँ पे भी रूट 7 है. When you have nothing with root 7, what do you have? 1. You take root 7 कॉमन, यहाँ पे सिर्फ आएगा 1, यहाँ से आएगा माइनस 3/5 एंड यहाँ से आएगा प्लस 2 रूट 7. If you see, I can add these two and then subtract with this one. 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 3/5 root 7. If you see here LCM हो जाएगा ये 5 3s are 15 minus 3/5 root 7. 15 minus 3 is how much? 12/5 root 7. That's it. You get the answer as 12/5 root 7, and for this you get 10 root 5. If you want to solve for home assignment, you can solve these questions. First and third. Try these 4 sums at home. Solve these also at home. And you might, if you find any difficulty, find us, tell us in the comment section or ask us in the WhatsApp group. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. This is a bit lengthy exercise and it's a bit hard, so I am taking it in 3 parts. So try to understand it. We are going very slow with this 900 portion. Till then, take care.